"I'll sleep early tonight." Then you watch one more video, one more message, and suddenly it's 3 a.m. You wake up with burning eyes and a heavy head. You promise, "Tomorrow I'll sleep early for real." But tomorrow never comes. Here's the truth. It's not about sleeping more hours. It's about sleeping the right way. Part 1. Understand your sleep, how the brain works at night. Sleep is not like turning off a light. Your body and brain keep working while you rest. Every 90 minutes, they move through 3 stages. Light sleep, body relaxes. Deep sleep, muscles and energy recover. REM, dream, sleep, brain organizes memories and ideas. If these stages run smoothly, 6 hours can feel like 8. But if your sleep is broken by screens, stress, or caffeine, you can sleep 9 hours and still wake up tired. Scientists at the National Sleep Foundation explain, deep sleep makes up only 10 to 20% of the night, but it's the part that makes you feel truly refreshed. So the goal is not more time in bed, it's more quality per hour. Part 2. The one habit, same sleep time every day. The most powerful habit is simple. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your body has an inner clock, the circadian rhythm, that controls when you feel sleepy or alert. Keeping a regular schedule makes this clock stronger. A Stanford University study found that irregular bedtimes cut deep sleep and increase fatigue. Even a 1-hour shift on weekends can confuse your body. And a 2024 paper in the journal Sleep, Oxford Academic, following more than 60,000 people showed, regular sleep timing predicted longer life, even more than the number of hours slept. So when you fix your sleep anchor, say 11 p.m. to 5:30 a.m., you'll often wake before the alarm, clear and calm. Part 3. Why it works, your body's daily rhythm. Your inner clock doesn't only control sleep. It manages mood, hunger, temperature, and focus. A global review of 92,000 participants across 14 countries found that irregular sleepers had worse heart and mental health. When your rhythm stays steady, your energy rises naturally in the morning, stays stable during the day, and slows gently at night. Your body stops fighting you, it starts working with you. Part 4. How to prepare for sleep, the 60-minute power down. Good sleep needs a soft landing, not a crash. Follow the 3-2-1 rule. 3 hours before bed, right pointing arrow, no heavy meals. 2 hours before, right pointing arrow, no homework or stress. 1 hour before, right pointing arrow, no screens or bright lights. Use that last hour to relax, read, stretch, journal, or listen to calm music. Your body understands, it's rest time. The NIH found that cutting blue light before bed raises melatonin, your natural sleep hormone. That means deeper, faster sleep, without pills. Part 5. How to wake up fresh, the morning reset. A great night starts with a smart morning. Step outside for sunlight within 10 minutes of waking. It tells your brain, daytime has begun. Melatonin drops, serotonin rises, you feel awake naturally. Then move your body, cold water, stretching, or a few push-ups. Movement boosts dopamine and clears morning fog. Harvard researchers show that morning light resets your rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep that night. Part 6. Extra tips, small tweaks, big results. No caffeine after 2 p.m. It can reduce deep sleep by 30%. Keep it cool. 18 to 20 carat, circ, text, C. Helps your body drift into deep sleep. Dark room. Your brain releases melatonin only in darkness. Calm sounds. White noise or soft music stops sudden wake-ups. Optional. Warm milk or magnesium tea. Natural relaxers. Little habits, big impact. Part 7. Clear your mind. Right before bed. If your body is tired but your mind keeps running, write. Take a notebook and unload every thought or worry. When your brain knows those tasks are saved, it lets go. Psychology studies show bedtime journaling helps you fall asleep faster and reduces stress. Part 8. Change how you think about sleep. Now you know the science. But remember, knowledge changes nothing until you apply it. Start tonight. Pick your fixed bedtime and stick to it for 7 days. Track how you feel. The first few mornings might be rough. But by day 5 or 6, your body will start to trust the schedule. You'll wake up lighter, calmer, clearer, and realize you've been running on low battery for years. This isn't a quick hack. It's training your body to work with nature, not against it. Part 9. Bridge, from knowing to doing. Now you know the science. But remember, Knowledge changes nothing until you apply it. Start tonight. Pick your fixed bedtime and stick to it for 7 days. Track how you feel. The first few mornings might be rough. But by day 5 or 6, your body will start to trust the schedule. You'll wake up lighter, calmer, clearer, and realize you've been running on low battery for years. This isn't a quick hack. It's training your body to work with nature, not against it. Part 10. The big message: sleep less, but better. It's not about who stays up the latest. It's about who wakes up ready. When your rhythm is steady and your recovery deep, you don't need more hours, you need better energy. Sleep less. Wake fresh. Live more. Part 11. Take the first step. If this video opened your eyes, don't just click away. Here's your challenge. Tonight, set one fixed sleep time. No exceptions. 1 week. Comment below and tell me your start time. I'll check back with you in 7 days. And if you want to keep building a smarter, calmer life, subscribe, because next week we'll uncover how to feel fully awake all day, without a single drop of caffeine. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start tonight. Your energy, your focus, your life, they all begin with better sleep. See you in the morning. Would you like to start your 7-day challenge by setting a fixed sleep time now?